So they got up now from their beds. सब वॉचमैन उठ गए और क्या देखा, बच्चे की आवाज़ आ रही है, क्या करें, they don't know what to do. And what they do, they will run to come, and they think they are the protectors. उनको लग रहा है हम लोग सब सुरक्षा करें. प्रभु जी हंस रहे हैं, क्या सुरक्षा करें? They are fools. They have no idea what actually is happening. है ना? So-called protectors also have that feeling. Like all the politicians, they're feeling, oh, I am protecting my country. क्या protection कर रहे हैं? कुछ नहीं. They can't do anything. है ना? Now coronavirus has come. Oh, I am protecting my state. I am protecting my country. First thing, everything is happening because of karma. कर्म के अनुसार चल रहा है. वाओ, पाप कर्म को बोलते हैं ना, पाप का घड़ा भर गया था. So much sin is happening in this world. It had to come. Reaction has to come. Slap. Metal nature has given a slap. It keeps giving slap. This has been very interesting that something they say every 100 years one break comes. That's interesting. But anyway, slap of Maya, of Prakriti, because of sinful activities people are doing. Thappad, jor ka thapak. People think they can do anything. They gotta. But actually this can be, we should understand that this is this immediate cause, what we feel it. Oh, some virus, so many people are dying. If you have that kind of outlook, you're not a person of intelligence. Real cause is the karma. We have in Bhagavatam this information. When Parikshit Maharaj, what happens? Parikshit Maharaj has beaten the cow and bull in the first canto. And he asks, the Parikshit Maharaj saw the cow and bull has been beaten. And he asked the Kalipurusha, and he saw that Kalipurusha standing there who has done it. But he wanted a statement from cow and bull before giving them that person death penalty. Actually, he takes out a sword, sharp sword, and he wants to cut his head. Before that, he wanted to take a statement. So he's asking the cow and bull, and cow and bull are not ordinary, they are personified, they can speak. He said, who has done this to you? So the bull says, very difficult to determine why we suffer in this world. He's not pointing finger at that person. So Prabhupada says in the purport, when somebody does crime to another person, he goes to hell. Suppose somebody gives you pain, आपको कोई दर्द देता है, वो नरक जाता है. लेकिन अगर आप अपना उंगली उसके तरफ करते हैं, that he has given you pain, you also go to hell. Therefore we have a deep understanding that actually it's my own karma. I remember when I joined the temple, so somebody asked me to shave the head. होता ना, हम शेव करते हैं एक दूसरे को. आजकल तो बाहर जाना डेंजरस है, खुद ही करने का. So then what happened, I was doing, and as usually in the beginning you cut, a lot of blood came, some devotee. So I asked him, Prabhu, I am very sorry. No, it's my own past karma. That is intelligence. है ना? लेकिन अपने को, हे ध्यान से नहीं कर रहा, क्या कर रहा है तो? ध्यान से कर रहा है, but it happens. That vision should be there. This vision is not easy. Then a person becomes very, very peaceful. Everything happens, some suffering I have underwent. It's my own karma. Krishna gave me some punishment for my reformation. Hana? We should see in that line. I am suffering. Atma kritam vipakam. I am suffering because of my own sinful activities. Hana? Atma kritam vipakam. Not a suffering because of other person. I am suffering because of my own sinful activity. It takes some time. So, but we look at external arrangement, I feel no, because of this person, because of that person, this person protected me. All illusion. Nobody can protect anybody. Krishna protects you. Definitely, he protects through somebody, that's true. But having a vision independent of the Lord, that's wrong. By Krishna's grace, he protected me. You cannot have any vision independent of the Lord. By Krishna's grace. And everything there is connection. Nirbandha Krishna, Sambandhe. But the real protection is from the Lord. Just like here, so many dramas happen. Can't see. So Krishna is actually doing so many things. For us to become serious in Krishna consciousness, Krishna is giving so much energy he is putting. Suppose you are taking care of somebody, how much will you plan? लेट मी टेल दिस वे, वो सुनता नहीं है, ऐसे बोलते हैं, उसको बोलेंगे वो बोलेगा, है ना. वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली प्लानिंग बिकॉज द वेल विश इज देयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड. बच्चा अच्छा होने का, अच्छा, तो वी ट्राई दिस वे दैट वे, दिस वे दैट वे, एवरी एंगल वी ट्राई टू सेंड अ मैसेज. The same way, Krishna is also trying to send message from all the ways to an individual. In every angle, Krishna is sending message, है ना? But we don't take, have no gratitude. So much love, so much compassion Krishna has. We can't see it. Just like this watchman. ये जो watchman है ना, बिल्कुल वही हाल है. ये क्या है watchman? कोई दृष्टि नहीं, यार सो रहे हैं कुत्ते की तरह, उठ गए, एंड वी आर प्रोटेक्टिंग. सो वी आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग इन दैट वे, बट वी नो एक्चुअली प्रोटेक्शन इज फ्रॉम कृष्णा. सुहृदम सर्वभूतानाम, therefore Krishna declares in Bhagavad Gita, I am the best friend of every living entity. Why? Actually it's protecting. So what we can do now, you have to mature. You have to mature. Therefore devotee becomes very, very grave. Devotee means very deep. When Nanda Maharaj sees the Kali has come, oh, what has this new difficulty come for us? Anna? It's very deep. Why has God arranged this new difficulty for us? What is the plan? In fact, the whole world is moving according to the plan of the Lord. He is trying to see where is the plan and what I should do. सपोज आप किसी मिलिट्री में, तो क्या होता है, ऑर्डर आता है, दिस हैज टू बी डन एंड यू आर ऑल गेटिंग रेडी. सो दे वांट टू नो द प्लान ऑफ द लॉर्ड. इन भगवद गीता आल्सो व्हाट कृष्णा सेज, निमित्र मात्रेण भव सव्यसाचेन. ए अर्जुना, बिकम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन माई हैंड. सबने याद किया ना वो श्लोक, निमित्र मात्रेण भव सव्य, बिकम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन माई हैंड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी किल्ड ऑल दिस पीपल, बिग बिग योद्धा. नोबडी इज गोइंग बैक होम अर्जुना. कोई घर नहीं जाने वाला. जितने देख रहे हो करोड़ों सोल्जर, सब मरने वाले हैं इधर. 64 करोड़ इतने सोल्जर्स मरेंगे अभी. कोई घर नहीं जाने वाला. यू वांट टू फाइट और डोंट फाइट, डज नॉट मैटर. कोई घर नहीं जाएगा अभी, सब मरने आए इधर. बट यू कैन गेट ए क्रेडिट. निमित्र मात्र, बिकम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन माई हैंड. So similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has made a plan. What is that? पृथ्वी चयोतयाच नगराधिग्रामा सरोत प्रचार हुए मोरा नामा. Every town and village my name will be chanted. That's the plan of Lord Chaitanya. Now, if we can become intelligent, we can participate in this plan of the Lord. That is intelligence. Correct? And we should also see that how much mercy and compassion Krishna involved to make me devotee. We should think about it actually. Sometimes we do not think. One devotee is saying, sometimes we do not see between yesterday and today what is the difference. If you are advancing, you see everyday mercy of Krishna. But at least you can see overall, go 20 years, you can see so much difference. Go 10 years, so much I have changed. So much I have understood. We can see mercy of Krishna. Anna? Krishna so kindly arranged me to become devotee again. Again he brought me. Maybe previous life I was doing some bhakti, but I left it. And I had some desires. Krishna fulfilled those desires. And again said, now can you take up? And again I am taking. Again I am not serious. Again I am getting distracted. So Krishna is mercifully watching. And that is our only hope. Because he is merciful. He is always giving an opportunity. For us to take advancement in Krishna consciousness, always there is an opportunity which is coming from Krishna. So we should take this opportunity, take advantage. But not start feeling the so-called dogs are protecting me. So in this world, so many arrangements are there now. My real arrangement is protection of Krishna. And we know he is a protector. He protects, he gives mercy through somebody. That's why saying the Samsara Damanala also, the Acharya is carrying the mercy of Krishna. Original mercy is from Krishna. It is Krishna who decided, let there be creation, let there be a chance to the conditioned souls to come back to him. That is Krishna's decision. Mercy started from him. And how many details of creation is there? Oh my God. Krishna expands to Balaram, Balaram extends to first Chaturvya, Sankarsana, Pradyumna, Anuruddha, Vasudeva. Then again, from Sankarsana, there is an expansion to Narayana. And then Narayana expands to again Sankarsana, Pradyumna, Anuruddha and Narayana and Vasudeva. And again the Sankarsana expands to Karnodakshay Vishnu, who expands to Garbhodakshay Vishnu, Shirodakshay Vishnu. Has so much details of creation. So many details are there. We were studying that Goloka chart. So much details about creation are there. So much details. So many planets are there. Within that Brahma creates so many things. So much details. Anantashesha is holding the whole cosmos. Oh my God. And for all, why Krishna did all that? For crazy living entities to get reformed. Just like government makes a jail for what? Not to punish. The idea is not to harm anybody. The idea is to reform him. This guy has become a joker. He has to be reformed. So we think we are special. You are very special. Because you are there in this jail. Only some idiots come inside the jail. That's how we are very special. Everybody thinks, I am special. Yeah, you are a special idiot only. Because to landed inside a jail, you must be really special idiot. Correct? Really special. In the one sense, a special idiot who landed inside the jail. And really messed up to come inside here. Really messed up your life to land inside the jail. What do you say? You go inside a jail and say, I am special. Yeah, you're really special here. Really special idiot to come inside the jail. Because everybody is outside the jail. You must have been really nice idiot fool to come inside the jail. So all our ego actually should go away when you look at the body. Because this body is a proof that I am having a prisoner's dress. Correct? This is a prisoner's dress which I am carrying. Because I've done some crime. I've left the lotus feet of Krishna, desiring to imitate Krishna. And therefore when coming to this world, we want attention, we want respect, because we just come to imitate him. And then we become so-called dogs in the streets, protectors of society, guiders of society. We hardly know what is happening. Correct? So what is visible? Beyond what is visible to the doorkeepers. So many things are happening invisibly. Anna? So beyond what is visible, mercy of Krishna, so many things are happening invisibly which you are not aware. Prabhupada gives an example. In the night it rains and the farmer is sleeping that time. He gets up in the morning. What is God doing? He doesn't know so much he did when he was sleeping. So we were not aware. So many things Krishna is planning. And he doesn't have to exert himself. He's so great. He can plan for each one of us. Sitting in the heart, he's planning for each one of us. Without any exertions. And giving us an opportunity. So if we can look in a proper perspective, we'll see so much mercy of Krishna is already there. So Hridam, he's the best friend. When Krishna says he's best friend, we don't know what he's telling. He's my best friend, he helped me in this way, he's my best friend. They don't know what he is talking. He doesn't know what. Just like when you put a seed in the ground, the tree comes, the fruits come, we say we claim the credit. It is because of me the tree has come. But where is the contribution? Not even 1%. We didn't design the seed, we didn't design the land, the sun, the air, anything. Everything Krishna gave. You just put seed in the ground. So similarly, we may think I'm protecting somebody, or we think somebody protecting us. We have no vision actually. Not even 1% our credit. 99% credit of Krishna, which we cannot see. Okay, so actually Krishna is the best benefactor. And in this pastime, you see how deeply Vishwanath Chakravarti Prabhupada has taken in the purport. How deeply. So-called politicians think they are protecting the society, what they are protecting. Krishna is personally protecting every individual. The plan of the Lord is not visible. There is some plan of the Lord going on for good. What is the plan of the Lord? Everybody goes back to his lotus feet. And we have our own plan. We think we should be comfortable, we should have more resources, we should enjoy. We have our own plan. Sometimes the plan intersect. We fall sick. Why is God doing this to me? Because his plan is something else. We have a plan to enjoy in this world. That's not the plan Krishna has. Krishna has a plan to reform you. So that your rebellious mentality towards him goes away and you take shelter at his lotus feet. That is Krishna's plan. But we have some other plan. So therefore, sometimes the plan are going together, sometimes the plan intersect. But if you put this, yes, my plan is to go to Krishna's lotus feet, then everything looks sensible and reasonable. Then every moment you say, yes, Krishna, I thank you very much. Thank you. Srila Prabhupada ki.